Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're just going to be breaking down the perfect trend line indicator. Okay, the perfect trend line indicator is actually an MT4 indicator that helps traders to spot trend direction, entry signals, and exits with ease. Okay, so I'm just going to add the indicator to the chart right away, and we're going to discuss it, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this indicator for catching good moves in the market. All right, so this is the perfect trend line indicator. Okay, so basically this indicator is built on a dual trend line system. All right, it's built on a dual trend line system that helps traders identify bullish and bearish trends. So as you can see on the chart, it uses two lines. All right, it uses two lines, a green trend line representing bullish momentum and a red trend line representing bearish momentum. Let me see if I can increase the thickness. Okay, let's increase the thickness for easy identification. Okay, so when you find the green trend line, just know that it is bullish momentum, is representing bullish momentum. And when you find the red trend line, just know that it's representing bearish momentum. Okay, so when the green line crosses above the red line, all right, let's just go back a bit. All right, when the green line crosses above the red line, yeah, it confirms an uptrend. Okay, then when the red line crosses above the green line, it confirms a downtrend. So it's super easy. The interpretation is quite straightforward. Okay, so the indicator also provides clear buy and sell signals using colored dots. If you look closely, you're going to see the colored dots. You can see this is a red dot, this is a green dot. Okay, so a green dot indicates a buy signal, while a red dot indicates a sell signal. Okay, these dots appear at key turning points. As you can see, they appear at key turning points, making it easy for traders to spot high probability trade opportunities. All right, but that is not all. These dots also act as exit signals. For example, a red dot signals an exit for long position. So if you had entered a buy trade somewhere around here, maybe after getting your bullish confirmation, and then set your stop loss below the swing low, the previous swing low, obviously. And then, for your take profit, you can decide to use the appearance of this red dot as a sign to exit your buy trade. Okay. Then the green dots, on the other hand, serve as the green dot on the other hand serves as an exit for short position. So for example, let's say you had entered a sell trade after you got your sell confirmation. After here, the red dot appeared here, and then you had some sell candles, and then you entered your sell, and then you set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then you want to exit your sell. Just wait for the green dot to appear, and you use that to exit your sell. All right, so it's quite straightforward, right? It's quite straightforward. Okay, so this makes trade management more efficient and helps traders to stay ahead of the market. All right, now the perfect trend line indicator also paints candlesticks based on momentum. Right, you can see the paintings on the candlesticks. Okay, it is based on momentum. All right, when you notice green candles, you can see these candles that are painted green, right? When you notice those green candles, it indicates bullish momentum. All right, these candles that are painted green, it doesn't matter if the original tradition, if the original traditional candlestick is bullish or bearish, so long as it has this green paint on it, it shows bullish momentum. On the other hand, candles that are painted red, right, indicate bearish momentum. It doesn't matter whether it's a blue candle or a red candle, so long as this indicator paints it red, it shows that there is prevailing bearish momentum. Then when there is no color applied, like in this scenario, it suggests that the market is neutral or consolidating, like what we can see happening here. So this feature provides a quick visual cue to confirm market direction and avoid trading in uncertain conditions. All right, so how do you use the indicator for trading? Right, using this indicator effectively requires two confirmations. The first is going long. Okay, when you want to go long, you just wait for a green dot. All right, you wait for a green dot to form. Wait for a green dot to form, like in this example. Then you confirm that the green trend line has crossed above the red trend line. Okay, then once both conditions are met, you can enter a buy position, especially if you have the candles painted in green. You can enter a buy position. All right, then your stop loss can be below the previous swing low, and your take profits can be, at resistance zones, or you can wait for a red dot to appear to exit your buy trade. Now, for sell trades, if you want to go short, you wait for a red dot to appear. Once the red dot appears, then you confirm that the red trend line, has crossed above the green trend line. Okay. Once both conditions are met, you can enter a sell position, especially if the candles have started being painted in red. All right. So once you enter your sell, you can set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then you can actually set your take profit at support zones, or you can wait for the green dot to appear, and that's going to give you a cue to exit your sell position. All right. So this simple approach ensures that traders follow strong trends rather than weak signals. One key thing to remember is that sometimes the indicator may plot green and red dots without a complete trend shift. Okay, so this suggests a short-term retracement rather than a full reversal. All right, the overall trend remains valid until the trend lines confirm a change. Okay, so pay close attention to that. All right, traders should always look for both dot signals and trend line confirmation. Okay, before assuming that a reversal is happening, do not rely only on the dots. Ensure that you have the combination of both the dot signals and the trend lines confirmation, the crossovers. Okay, so the perfect trend line indicator is a nice tool, right, for traders who want clear trend direction, easy entry points, and reliable exits. Okay, so by combining trend lines, buy and sell dots, and candlestick coloration, this indicator makes market analysis quite simple. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful forex trading content. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Trade smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.